Hello friends, today I will show you how to download and install Amidata, professional Amibroker data feed for Indian traders. Okay, this Amidata you can download from three websites, different websites. One is ValueRT.com, other is AmibrokerData.com, and third one is AmiDataFeed.com. So Amidata is available on all these three websites. The same product is available on all these three websites. Now we go to download section and we download AMI data setup, and it has been downloaded. I have downloaded this AMI data setup here on desktop. This is a zip format file. Right click on it, extract all, and extract. Okay, this is a exe file for AMI data setup. Again, right click on it and run as administrator. We have to select this option, click on it. You get a blue window like this. Click on more info. So click on run anyway. This is the setup dialog box. Click on next. You have to accept the terms of the license agreement and then click on next. It will install at the default location, this one. Click on install. And now it has been installed. Click on finish. Close this window. And here you see AMI data icon has appeared. Double click on it. It's loading. And this registration window has appeared. Here you have add your name, your email ID and mobile number. Click on activate. You will get a success message here. Click on OK. And now registration has been done. Click on Amidata. Now after starting, it has automatically opened Amibroker. It's still loading. Let us wait for a while. See, now once loading has been done and data has started appearing on the Amibroker. But before going there, I show you the different sections of this Amidata app. Here you can select equity symbols. Here approximately 700 symbols are listed here, from where you can select. Then these are all future symbols, and here you can get option symbols where Bank Nifty is there, crude oil options, Fin Nifty options, mid cap Nifty options, natural gas options, Nifty monthly option, Nifty weekly options, and Sensex weekly options. And here all the indices are listed here, and here commodity future symbols are in commodity section, and we have recently added global section. Here you can get crypto and global bullion data like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, gold, silver. Okay, all this data runs 24 hour, 24/7. So I registered it and automatically 7 days trial has been activated. Here, these are two important indicators. When this dot is green, that means Amibroker is properly connected. And when this dot is green, that means connection with the server is live. Okay. And here, data is updating in the app and same data is updating here. Okay. Now, how to configure it with Amibroker and how to use it properly, I'll show you that in my next video. Thank you for watching. Let us go to the next video.